Hi everyone, welcome back to Tutorial Master. Today I am going to show you how you can convert your Word document file into PDF. Let's dive in. Here on my screen, as you can see that the Word file is open. So I will show you how you can convert it into PDF file. So go to the file option, and here down below you can see the option export. Click on it, and on the right hand side you will see create a PDF slash XPS document. Click on it. You will see a dialog box like this. Here I can rename my file, and I can check it so that the file will open after publishing, and keep the settings same as it is for optimizing standard publishing online and printing. And then I will click on publish, and it will convert my Word file into PDF. My video on how to edit PDF file by using PDF Gear. You can check this video in the I button. So that's all from my side. If you have any question, you can ask in the comment section below. Stay tuned for more videos like this. Goodbye.